Hi guys, first of all, happy Raksha Bandhan to whoever are watching it on 11th and 12th of August 2022. The purpose of this video is that we are going to discuss about those syllabus changes that are applicable for your strategic business leadership SBL examination starting from September 2022 till June 2023. Now, just to be clear here, so when we say starting from September 2022, it means students who are appearing for the examinations in September 2022 also need to be aware of these changes. So if you are appearing for September 2022 for SBL exam, then yes, these changes are applicable for you. Now, there are very few changes. Actually, there are only two changes which are also not really changes as such. So without any further delay, we'll directly go to this particular syllabus changes. So as you can see here, I'm on the ACCA global website. So I'll go to students study support resources as usual. So this page, study support resources, is usually very crucial for your exam point of view, for your preparation. I hope you guys are aware of that. Since you're already in professional level, you must be knowing that all the resources required, like your syllabus, technical articles, examination guidance, or examiners reports of previous paper evaluations, everything, mock exams. So everything that you need, including the past papers, are available on this student study support resources page. So I'll be clicking on this ACCA qualification. I'll scroll down to SBL. So let me just navigate to SBL. So as you can see on your screen here, you have introduction of paper, then you have planning, then you have computer-based examination, CBE introduction, you have your exam team guidance, getting ready, modules for getting ready, professional skills that are required, syllabus, revision, preparation, examiner's report, past exam library, technical articles. Lots of resources are available, and these resources are very crucial for clearing your SBL examination, not just SBL, any ACCA paper. So for this particular video, I'll stick to the syllabus portion of it. So as you can see, you can look that there is this topic called Strategic Business Leader Syllabus and Study Guide for September 2022 to June 2023. Now, ACCA usually makes changes to their syllabus or amendments to their syllabus effective from September to June of each year. It is a regular common practice. So like that, September 2022 also, a certain small changes have been brought into your syllabus. So let me just very quickly open this PDF file. So here it is, Strategic Business Leader Syllabus and Study Guide, September 2022 to June 2023. So you can see this is a 23-page document where they talk about everything related to SBL exam. Basically, what is the intellectual level that is needed, how many learning hours are required, what are the educational recognitions for this, what is the structure of entire ACCA qualification, how do you clear them, how do each paper interact with the other papers of your syllabus. For example, your F1, your F2, F5 and APM. F2 management accounting, F5 performance management, advanced performance management in APM. Similarly, FM and AFM, F3 financial accounting, F7 financial reporting, and SBR strategic business reporting. So these papers all interact with each other. So how does that happen, and all those things that is given here, and also your introduction to syllabus, what are the syllabus topics, everything is covered in this video, in this PDF file. So for this video, I'll just stick to the last portion, which is summary of changes to Strategic Business Leader. Before I go to the summary of changes, your SBL examination paper pattern remains the same. There will be one case study for 100 marks. 80 marks will be the technical part of the answer. 20 marks will be your professional skills. So the same pattern is being followed. There are no changes in that area. So I'll go to changes in SBL. You can see there are literally two changes given here, and these two are not really major changes. These two are just a basic explanation given to you. So you have your section and subject area, which is financial analysis and decision making techniques. So I hope you guys are, if you're following Kaplan or BPP, whatever it is, this financial analysis usually talks about the ratio analysis of financial statements, including your correlation, coefficient of correlation, how do you project the future values, and all those things which are included in your syllabus. So that is again decision making techniques. Also use high low techniques, or else we can say your learning curve analysis, whatever. See, it differs from book to book that you are referring to. So financial analysis and decision making techniques, earlier we used to have one topic called we still have a topic called sources of short and long term finances that are available for any organization, in which regarding the latest technology that is happening, there is a reference to ICO, initial coin offering. It's just similar to IPO, initial public offer, where shares are issued to the public. Here, in place of shares, coins, basically your cryptocurrencies, are issued to the public as a whole. So this ICO related, not much of information is available to the students as such, and ACCA also understands that it's not relevant for the students to actually know the intricacies involved in ICOs, cryptocurrencies and all. It's okay for them to know about that stuff. It is mandatory for them to know about accounting and other implications and other aspects, but students usually are not expected to have technical knowledge about these ICOs, cryptocurrencies and all that stuff. So basically they just said that a specific reference to ICO has been removed. The topic is not removed. Short term and long term alternative sources of finance is still there in your syllabus. Earlier, a specific reference to ICO is there, like specifically a paragraph on ICO used to be there, which is now removed for you. So if you know about ICO, initial coin offering, good, no problem. This is something that has been removed from the syllabus to make it easier for you guys. And similarly, second one is in enabling success, disruptive technology. So here you guys might have learned about latest trending technologies in finance world, fintech we call it as, like cryptos, blockchains, robotic process automations. You have lots of latest technologies that are happening, including your NFTs, non-fungible tokens. And then we also, in my regular classes, I also discussed about what was that, DeFi, right, digital financing. And there are lots of topics that we discussed in our classes regarding this disruptive technologies, including blockchain and automation as well. So now what happened is, you can see, identify and assess the potential impact of disruptive technologies such as fintech, including cryptocurrencies. So earlier there was a specific reference to blockchain technology, which is now removed. So specific reference to blockchain technology is removed. So basically they're trying to tell you that initial coin offering and also blockchain related, do not need to go in depth and try to understand all that stuff. See, for example, if you know blockchain, that is good, sir. If you do not know, still it is fine, as long as you know what it does and how it works and how it adds value to fintech, right? You do not need to understand the technical aspects of it. Okay, as long as you know that it is a distributed decentralized ledger, that's sufficient, more than enough. And the fact that blocks get connected to each other, they are not modifiable without appropriate authority and access. It is not stored in in any private server. Their blockchain is on a public servers, like that. If you understand the basic implications of that, that is sufficient. So for you guys, for SBL, the only changes are that specific references to ICO and specific references to blockchain have been removed from your syllabus. You do not need to learn them in depth. Those are the only changes applicable for September 2022 till June 2023 for strategic business leadership examination. I hope this video helped you guys. So please take care. Make sure your preparation is sufficient and appropriate. Give appropriate number of mock examinations. Do past papers. Compare them with the answers given in the ACCA website. Do not try to duplicate the answers, but rather try to understand that did you cover majority of the areas or not, and is your thought process similar to ACCA's thought process or not, examiner's thought process, and keep it simple. Now just one more thing, guys. So do not take stress while preparing for your examinations. Keep it easy and stay safe and stay healthy, which is more important. Good luck for your examinations. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, guys.